with manufacturers including Samsung, Huawei, Xiaomi, LG, Lenovo and Motorola unveiling foldable phones. Will there ever be a foldable iPhone? It looks likely, although Apple probably won't get there as soon as those other smartphone companies. Apple has filed for patents relating to foldable devices, has apparently secured provision of the bendy displays, and is believed to have run tests of its own, but the company isn't expected to unveil a folding iPhone until 2020 or maybe 2021, if at all. We look at when and if Apple will launch a foldable iPhone, and whether it should jump on that bandwagon or focus on other features that people want. For more general predictions about Apple's phone plans, read our roundup of iPhone 2019 rumors, and take a look at best iPhone deals for buying advice related to the current foldable iPhone. One reason why a foldable iPhone could be a good thing is perfectly illustrated by this concept illustration made by Dutch industrial designer Roy Gilsing on behalf of Foldable Phone News. Those images perfectly illustrate how an iPhone could be unfolded to become, in effect, an iPad. Of course, the question is whether anyone would really want an iPhone that could transition into an iPad. Would such a device encourage more people to purchase an iPhone, or would the price be prohibitive? Would those of us who own both an iPhone and iPad prefer it if they were combined into a single device? Would the device cannibalize iPad sales? These are complex and potentially troubling questions, and we're not totally sold on the idea. But this hasn't stopped Apple's competition from jumping on the foldable phones bandwagon. Samsung and Lenovo demoed phones with foldable screens as early as spring 2018. Although the Samsung Fold famously developed a fault and has been recalled. Remember, kids, it isn't always cool to be first to market. And Ed Hardy, writing for Cult of Mac, believes that if anyone can make the folding smartphone work, it's Apple. Deciding today you don't want a folding iPhone based on the high prices and clunky designs of the first foldable Android models is the equivalent of someone in 1886 stating they'll never get an automobile after looking at the Benz patent motor wagon, he writes. Evidence for a foldable iPhone. Whether a foldable iPhone is a good or a bad idea, there's no escaping the fact that Apple has at least considered it, as shown by the evidence gathered in this section. Screen orders. The foldable iPhone rumor isn't new. It's been ongoing since 2016 when it emerged that Apple had placed an order with LG for its folding OLEDs. Citing anonymous industry sources, The Bell, via The Investor, claimed in October 2017 that LG was working on a foldable iPhone with Apple. According to that report, foldable iPhone production was expected to start in 2019. An ET News report in December 2016 seemed to back this up. Apparently, LG was going to start mass-producing the screens in 2018 and would be supplying them to Apple, Google, and Microsoft. Another report on the 2nd of March claimed that Samsung Display was in negotiations with Apple with a view to supplying the company with foldable displays to be used for an iPad phone hybrid. Samsung is said to have provided 7.2 inches displays to Apple. The company already provides the OLEDs used for the iPhone XS and XS Max. Testing. On the 22nd of April 2019, supply chain sources claimed, Chinese language site, that Apple has quietly been testing a folding screen by Boo Display, a firm which had previously been considered as an iPhone supplier. Before that, the company tested folding screens by Samsung, the site adds. All of which suggests that Apple intends to launch a folding screen iPhone, says the report, but certainly not this year. Patent applications. There's also the fact that Apple has patents, and has made additional patent applications, for flexible display devices. A patent for flexible display devices was filed in October 2018 and published in February 2019. The patent application includes lots of illustrations, such as the one below. That patent is a continuation of earlier patent applications filed in September 2016, 2014, and 2011. It includes the following foldable device-related patents which have been awarded to Apple over the years. Patent number 10,104,787, patent number 9,504,170 and patent number 8,787,016. The October 2018 patent application combines all of those patents and patent applications, and much of the document refers to the hinge where the screen bends and how they work. The whole patent application is detailed here. There is also a separate 2016 patent for a bendable iPhone, shown below, patent 9,947,882. It's described thus: an electronic device, comprising a housing that bends about a bend axis, and a display in the housing that bends about the bend axis, wherein the display comprises a protective layer having a rigid portion formed from a first material and a flexible portion formed from a second material that is different than the first material. More information here. Most recently, an Apple patent has emerged which details a method to avoid damaging screens when they bend. The patent, for electronic devices with flexible displays, states that damage is sustained under cold conditions, so offers a solution. The portion of the display that overlaps the bend axis may be self-heated by illuminating pixels. So friends, expected if you like this video, then friends, subscribe to our channel and like and share the video. I need your love and support. I will continue to bring you such exciting technology videos every day. Thank you.